Good morning, good people. Welcome back with me in Networking News to spread the news that actual, sharp, and reliable. With me, Gongdae in Networking News. TPSUM already over capacity because the bad management. For detailed information will be present by my partner Arjun, which was already in the landfill Suwon. Okay Juni, please convert the information that you can.
Trash management in Bali was uncontrollable situation. In fact, Suwon landfill in Denpasar has excess capacity because it is not able to accommodate the amount of garbage generated. This is the Suwon landfill on Denpasar, and now we get some interview from some people in that place. Let's go. Sir, where is in the landfill can we feel hay, sir?
Economic growth in Bali impacts increase the waste production. Until now, Bali unsupport adequate management of waste management. So, the real problem is the management.
And then, what the step will be taken by government for this issue, sir?
French company focus on managing waste in some countries. So, our plans to work on waste in Bali. We will cooperate with them to management the waste.
Why choose to cover it with this company, sir?
This world class company has cooperated with several countries in recycling waste into energy source and will embalming materials such as cement and bricks. They promise to generate electricity up to 20 megawatt.
Yes, this corporation has been realized.
Vice Governor will try to assess and coordinate with reference production of waste in Suwon landfill the crude. Average of more than 1,500 tons per day. Government net order activities for waste management in Bali.
Okay, sir, thank you for the interview. Okay, I'm Juni and Sadu from the Suwon landfill. Let's back to the studio for the Gongdae Lanang.
Thank you Juni. TPSUM hopefully soon get future treatment from the government. Next is we must reject the reclamation of Gunung. To find out more information directly, my colleague Sandy will interview one of the activists who were in place at the time. Sandy, please confirm information.
Okay, thank you Gongdae from studio. PT Tirtawahana Bali International aims to redeem 838 hectares of the area, which will convert 75% of the area into land and therefore increase the sea level by 1.6 meters. If this happens, 7.9 million cubic meters of water will be understand the lowering areas nearby. Recreating the land, Jakarta Muara project in Bali. Okay, we will get interview with people from for Bali. What the impact would happen if it be reclaimed?
It will drown us, countless people losing their livelihood from the ocean, and it will destroy our marine ecosystem, all surrounded area, including coral reef and the mangrove. If this reclaimed have done, be ready to say goodbye to snorkeling, diving, and sea walking at Bali.
Which people is to blame about this?
I don't blame the government or the investor. I blame for us, the Balinese, for selling our land, for getting easy way to out of the poverty, and for thinking that tourism is only job that we can do. We're selling our rice mill to buy other rice mill in another island. Then we still complain that government is destroying Bali by building more hotels. And we continue to be silent and we still complain.
Whether it can win if we make damage.
This is an issue as old as time. Government back investor and the investor against people. I have a bad feeling in my stomach that if this fight is just being fought by us alone, there might be a chance that we will lose. You see that we don't have a good track record of victorious battle against investor. If you have a fail of Bali, if you live at Bali, even if you have family in Bali, please spread the word. Support us. Don't let government destroying Bali by reclaiming Benua.
Okay, thank you for the interview. Sandy and Juni, back to the studio.
Thank you for the information, Sandy. Similarly, networking news today. Stay tuned for more news in the next networking news. I'm Gonde and our whole crew and employees like to apologize in the mistake and bye bye.